Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here. In this video, we have something exciting to share with you, the incredible CASIO G-SHOCK GM-2100CB-1A watch. Get ready to embark on a journey through its remarkable features and discover why it's a must-have timepiece for watch enthusiasts like yourself. To start, we'll open up the product box and unveil this CASIO G-SHOCK. Join us as we carefully unbox and reveal the watch in all its glory. We want you to experience the excitement of discovering this exceptional timepiece firsthand. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's delve into the captivating features of this CASIO G-SHOCK. With its black textile strap, black oxidized steel case, and a black dial adorned with striking red accents, this watch exudes a bold and sophisticated style that commands attention. This CASIO G-SHOCK is equipped with scratch-resistant mineral glass, ensuring a clear and pristine display that withstands the rigors of daily wear. Its impact resistance adds an extra layer of durability, protecting the watch from accidental knocks and bumps. This timepiece boasts an array of functionalities designed to enhance your daily life. From world time and automatic calendar to stopwatch, countdown, and 12/24-hour format options, it offers versatility and convenience that adapts to your lifestyle. The alarms keep you on track, ensuring you never miss an important event or deadline. This CASIO G-SHOCK is more than just a watch. It's a reflection of your bold personality and an accessory that stands the test of time. With its impressive design and exceptional quality, it's a timepiece that you can rely on for years to come. With a water resistance rating of 20 bar, this CASIO G-SHOCK is built to withstand water activities, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and more. Feel confident wearing this watch no matter where your adventures take you. To adjust the date and time on this CASIO, press and hold the adjust button located at the top left. Then change the modes with a single press of the mode button located at the bottom left until you reach the time and date. When you reach them, press the bottom right button once to change them. To finish, press the adjust button again. In summary, this CASIO G-SHOCK is a timepiece that effortlessly combines style and functionality. Its black textile strap, black oxidized steel case, and captivating red accents make it a true fashion statement. The scratch-resistant mineral glass and impact resistance ensure durability, while its versatile features cater to your daily needs. Now, let's showcase how this CASIO G-SHOCK looks on the wrist. Watch as we demonstrate its size, fit, and overall appearance, allowing you to visualize how it complements your style and adds a touch of sophistication to any ensemble. If you enjoyed this in-depth exploration of this CASIO G-SHOCK, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest watch releases, informative reviews, and valuable styling tips. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video as we continue to bring you the best in horology and style.